What's up, everybody at the internet? Us. Beautiful day. Very beautiful day. Sun is shining. Good day. So, enough about that. I will show you now how I made this aquarium filter. Big sponge filter. It's 63 centimeters from the top to the bottom. So very big. 3D printed, and I will show you how I did it. And no, it's this way. It's upside. I will show down here. You can see the aquarium I put it in, and I will just quick show you how it looks at the inside here. Whoop! Can we just get some? Oh, it is. So you can see here. There's it's divided in selection because, of course, it cannot be at the printer all of it. So there's the top, and there's two tubes and a metal piece to screw them in together. And down here at the bottom, there's missing something. Why is it's maybe because. Can we just get it? Yeah. There's this tube where you put where I put the air hose down. So bubbles will be created out here and go up, and yeah. It's pretty standard. The filter is just big because with the big aquarium, and yeah, I'll show you now down here how it was created and how I did, and I'll put the files for the filter in the description. So if you want to make it yourself, you can do it. Yeah, let's get it on. So, everybody, it's time for the big finale. In this video is the assembly, and then after this has been assembled, I'm gonna go test the bad boy out in the big tank over there, and the acid. My plan is to make 2 of these, and the second one I have already some modification. First I printed this with support on the 3D printer, and I found out when I printed this that there was no need for support, so it's very difficult to clean out the thread in here. So first mistake or learning experience. Second, some of you maybe know, but when you have to put things in water, there's a 3D printed, it has to be 100% infill or it won't sink. And I was aware of this, but if I 3D printed something like this, it would take very long time and use a lot of materials. So I think 30%, and I think it probably won't sink. Maybe it will, the water will get in the airspace, or yeah, but it didn't. I tried it out and it didn't work. So I tried to epoxy it, but then I made a little one with some rubber, and it's much heavier than this one. So I got this stone, so I'm gonna put some strips around it, and I'm gonna hold it down. But next time, on the second one, I think I will maybe 3D print something that can hold the bottom down to the stone. So I maybe glue it to the stone, or put it on with some screws or something, so I can just slide it in and out when I need to get the filter up and clean it. But okay, I stop swearing. So I made this 3D printed this, my own design and everything, so it will fit about on this rock, 2 pieces, and it will supposed to be the bottom of the sponge filter need to slide in here, so I will put some glue so it stay here and put it down, because the filter is too light, and it will slide on here, and then it's finally completed. There she is. That's a big damn filter. Are we ready? Let's find out.
Kan du ikke bare tage en af dem, der sidder deroppe på? Jeg kan nemlig stikke den her med.
Go on to the new world.